was practicing using the Lymow. We did the contours of the yard. It took us about 5 minutes. It was pretty fast, wasn't it? And I saw it mow the lawn just a few minutes ago, just this front part was so it did a good job. The grass wasn't that high, but it did take out all the stray pieces that my usual lawn guy forgets to do. It did take out some of those stray pieces he had left behind. And I like that it's very quiet. It did not lift a lot of dirt up because I have a lot of some areas with dirt in my lawn. It didn't lift it up much. So that's good because I don't like to breathe that in. Overall, I say it did a great job. I'm so glad the battery lasts about 3 hours because I think for my entire lawn, I would need at most 30 minutes. So that's a good battery time. One of the main difficulties I have in this front yard is this complex root system, and it navigated the root system very well. And because of the root system, very big, I have huge roots coming out. It navigated the root system well. It didn't flip over. It didn't get stuck. But as you can see, there are areas of dirt, and then there are areas of moss, and then there's some grass depending where the sun hits. But it did a good job with it.